EU dollar to euro, container general cargo to RO 2,850 euro net, plus Italian social security to Embark 1,028. European APs today sailing up north with people that never smile, shorter lives, because people that smile in Italy, in Spain, we have 25 years longer lifespan. Why? Because if you don't smile, gone. So have a good time with the nice weather, Mediterranean weather between Barcelona, Valencia to Italy, a state of the art. Rorros Euro, Rorros 37,000 tons up to 67,000 tons, new ships, professional crew. If you are tired sailing with flag of convenience and you want European flag because you are a married seaman, you have kids, you want the social security, the pension, the unemployment, sanitary assistance, you want the full cover. Why? Because we, married people with kids, we have responsibilities. We have to shelter and cover those. If you are under flag of convenience and if you are under dollar, 15% more. It looks like President Trump not only invented TT, Trump tariffs, but also printing money. He's asking to print more and more. That means that the dollar is going to fall more and more. And these ships are also third competitive advantage, sailing Mediterranean. So if you're sailing up north in the offshore, with no social security, with dollar, here is 2,850, and we are starting to consider from 4 months length contract, 2 off with no wage, 4 with wage. We are starting to consider your applications if you like to have 3, 1.5, 2, 1, because we are a responsible company and we are a very familiar company, and we understand that you like to see every 2 months, 3 months your family and have 50% of the time with them. So thank you very much indeed for your time. Look forward to your application, like, subscribe, and inform all your groups of WhatsApps and social medias about this video, about this opportunity, because if the dollar keeps going down, euro up, but if you are closer to your European family, we're all going to be much happier. And thank you very much indeed for your time. Look forward your crew inspector applications. Today we need about 200, 300 babies, and then we'll talk about more ranks. Thank you for your time. Bye.